It's good. It's really good. I love the back sesame seat. Thank you. Wow, look at this. Great job.
Thank you po.
Mami, picture kami dito, pakisend sa amin. I wish Lucho was here and Johan was here as well, but Luna's here. She prepared some drawings para kay Chef Gordon Ramsay. 3 araw na akong hindi makatulog kakaisip sa araw na to. At ngayon lang nag-sink in sa akin na para pala siyang game show talaga na pinapanood namin ng mga anak ko. Na Hell's Kitchen, Masters. Sa sitwasyon na yun, para akong hihimatayin, Lord. 10 minutes lang kasi yung meron kami na magbuo ng halo-halo. So, gumagawa lang ako ng battle plan kung paano ko ma-reach yung madaldal ako kaysa maluto, di ba? Ito yung mga pagkakataon na hindi mo alam kung totoo pa ba ito o panaginip. O mukhang totoo naman kasi grabe yung kaba ko eh. Yung wala pa talagang makakatapat sa kaligayahan to. Kung nararamdaman nyo lang yung lamig ng mga kamay ko ngayon, oh my gosh. Hindi ko siya kayang baklayin. Hirap magbakla ng English. Ito pala yung mga pinapadamo ko sa mga contestants ng MasterChef nung araw. Ito pala yung pakiramdam nun. So, nagagigets ko na kung bakit parang hindi sila makangitin.
Get dangerous. Get creative.
Thank you, Lord, sa pagkakataon to. I want my kids to be proud of me and pangarap to eh.
Superstar in film, TV, and the kitchen. The presenter of both MasterChef and Junior MasterChef Pinoy Edition.
10 minutes. Start now. Hey darling, congratulations. You good?
Yes.
Congratulations on MasterChef. Ingredients.
I have the black sesame pulveron with me already. I'm gonna put it in the middle and saltiness and sweetness from the pulveron. There's also a bit of salt on it, so it's not gonna be that sweet.
Love that. Thank you for the facial, by the way.
There's some unsalted butter again, and with some milk, some cooked flour, ground black sesame powder.
Like a little like this crumble.
Yes.
Muntik ako hindi makatapos, guys. Lang ako 10 minutes na. Paano nangyari yun? Importante na tikman pa rin. Nabuo ko naman.
Visually, that looks beautiful. Describe it for me, please.
Chef, I have for you a black sesame halo-halo with some nata de coco. It's like coconut juice that's fermented, and some sweetened jackfruit.
And how much lamb have you got in there?
Just like a tablespoon of that.
It's good. It's really good. I love the back sesame seat. Thank you. Wow, look at this. It looks like the...
Oo nga.
It's good. It's really good. I love the black sesame seed. Thank you. Wow, look at this.
Nasarapan naman siya doon sa black sesame pulveron. Gusto niya yung contrast.
Danica, well done.
So happy for Danica. Kasi ang laking push nun para sa career niya as a chef or as a culinary student. And nakaka-inspire pa yon sa mga kagaya niya na nag-aaral. So I'm so happy for Danica. And lahat naman ng ito ay napakalaking blessing para sa lahat ng mga foodies and chefs at heart and culinary students.
One, two, quick.
Thank you so much. Na-achieve ko naman yung makatabi si Gordon Ramsay.
I love that. Thank you. High five. Amazing. Thank you.
He got your autograph.
Oh my goodness! Oh. Thank you, Miko. Thank you so much for your kindness.
Great job.
Thank you po.
Sabi ni Gordon, great job. Kinikilig ako pag iniisip ko, pero maging text meets kaya kami ni Chef Gordon Ramsay. Eto na, makakakain na ako. Hindi ako kumain talaga para after ng breakfast. Na 2 maliit na pandesal. Hindi ko na kayang mag-digest ng pagkain. So bigla akong gutom na gutom ngayon. This is it. Ay!